everybody, it's 6:30. Bandit's down there eating brekkie, and I am ready to roll out of camp as soon as he is done and go to my first Meet the Author and have a vendor table. It's still dark outside.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
I'm official. I even got my receipt for next year, and Joan helped me set up my table. You guys, Lisa and Judy just got here, and look what Lisa's wearing. She's wearing her KOKO Fam t-shirt. All right, wagon is in tow. We got it all packed up. Here we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was such fun. And thank you again, Joan, for helping me out. And Jenna came and sat with me and helped me out. And it's a good thing because I almost gave 2 books away. I can't handle it all. It was distracting. It was such fun though. And I would sign books and people would walk off with their books. It'd be like, wait. And one lady, I went up to her and I'm like, I'm so sorry, but I forgot to get your money. And she was a couple of rows away, and we all had a good laugh about that, and she was a good sport. But it was such fun. And I want to thank Judy and Lisa for coming by, and then Lori came by, and I'll show all of that to you at the end. And people let me get photos with them. Not all, but a lot of people let me get photos with them that bought my books. And anyway, it was just such a fun time. And I met several people that have brain injuries and got to talk with them, and that was a treat. Not that they have a brain injury, but when you can connect with somebody that has gone through some of the same things that you have, and you are out here doing the deal and trying to do the best that you can. And they were all with friends too, and so I get by with a little help from my friends and you guys, my viewers and my patrons, and I am just so blessed, and I am on a high right now because it was such fun. I had such a blast at the QIA. I got to meet such wonderful people, and I sold some books, and it's always so exciting to get to sign books for everybody. I gave away this book because my shipment didn't come in time. It will be here next week, so I will have it available. I'm thinking about maybe even doing a giveaway at the RTR. We'll see. But I will have it available in time for the RTR, definitely for my table across from the big tent. It will be back behind the kitchen gadget tent, and J21 is what you want to look for. And so I will have my books then, and I will be at the QIA again on February 4th. But today I'm giving this one away. People signed up, and we're going to see who wins. Here we go. Drum roll, please. I'll open this up and see. Are we ready? I'm not looking. Gonna shuffle it up a little bit. All right, I have a piece of paper in hand. This is so exciting. Let's see who won the first in the series of Keep On Keeping On. that would be Bambi Teft, and she gave me her phone number. So Bambi, I will be calling you, and we will get this book delivered to you. Congratulations, you guys. Y'all keep on keeping on. I hope that you are having a blessed day. Keep on keeping on, everybody, and we'll see you down the road.